Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. So I will go through this blog post which is from JetBrians, and they have launched a new website called klibs.io. It is a new way to discover Kotlin multi-platform libraries. If you already know React Native has the same thing called React Native directory, and I think also Flutter has the same thing called pub.dev. So Kotlin multi-platform is growing rapidly with its ecosystem expanding and the number of libraries increasing by 35% in 2024 alone. However, with more libraries available than ever, finding the right one for your use case and target platform can still be a challenge. Whether you are looking for a solution to handle permission on iOS and Android, or searching for a composed multi-platform calendar component that supports both mobile and web, the challenge isn't just finding one library, it's having all of the options clearly represented so you can compare and choose the best fit. Today we are excited to announce klibs.io, our new service designed to make finding Kotlin multi-platform libraries faster and easier. So here you can see this is the website, and they have already done a pretty good job. So suppose if I only want Android JVM, I can use filter it by this. If I only want Kotlin native, I can filter by this. And if you just see, like, I wished they have given a iOS option as well. I don't know what this common is about. I think this common is about making use it on Android and iOS, but I could be wrong, because compose multi-platform I know is run on Android as well as iOS. So here you can see, and I think Ktor also can be used in Android and iOS, I guess. But yeah, I think Coil also supports Android and iOS. SQLite I know supports Android and iOS. So I think common means Android as well as iOS, but like they have given Android JVM, I wish they have just given iOS as well. But yeah, I think they have also done it by segregated by UI, dependency injection, utility test, network, storage. I think by total we almost have around 1500 libraries, which is a good thing. So yeah, this is how the UI looks like. And what is klibs.io? It is an easy web service that allows you to find a Kotlin multi-platform library for a specific purpose that supports selected platform: JVM, Android JVM, Wasm, JS, Kotlin native. The website indexes data from GitHub and Maven Central and uses AI generated metadata to enhance the search result. It aims to make it easier to evaluate libraries by providing KMP related information. So yeah, they have given an example of composed multi-platform. With klibs.io, developers will spend less time searching and more time building, while library authors benefit from the increased visibility for their work. Learn how to make your libraries visible on klibs.io. So yeah, if you want, you can go to this particular documentation. What's next for klibs.io? While klibs.io is already live as an alpha version, this is just the beginning. We already have a significant backlog of ideas, including features for both developers and library authors. However, before moving forward, we want to hear from our Kotlin multi-platform users. How can you help? Your feedback is crucial in shaping the future of klibs.io. Here's how you can contribute: try it out, share your thoughts, join the discussion. So yeah, that's what this is about. Check it out if you're a Kotlin multi-platform developer. Thanks for watching. Bye.